If you're looking for a Valentine's project to make with your Cricut, I have you covered. I'm going to show you how to make these cute Valentine's sticker sheets. They're great for your kids to play with or for you to use on your own projects, and all of these images are in Design Space. So let's get started. So open up a new project in Design Space, and this is just an example of what I'm going to show you how to make here. And if you make it the same size that I do, you can make 2 of these sticker sheets on 1 piece of sticker paper. Okay, so go over to Images and search Animal with Heart. The first one I found here is this cow, so click the plus button, it adds it to the canvas. And then bring it over here, and this is how we're going to find the whole collection that I used here. If you right click on the information over in the layers panel and scroll to the bottom, then you can find the image information. We're going to click on the designer and go to all of her images that she's made and just search for heart. And then just click the little plus button on any of the images that you want to add. I'm picking 9 of these cute little animals that are holding hearts, and you can see I'm picking the ones that already have an outline on them. We can skip the offset step because these are already made as stickers. Once you have 9 added to your canvas, either click the little green view button that pops up, or at the top of your screen, click on Canvas, and then you can exit out of this image information box. So they did come in at different sizes related to each other. Each one I'm just going to resize to 2 inches tall. Then you're just going to start lining them up in 3 rows of 3. So here I'm playing around a little bit. I'm taking the 3 animals that each have kind of the wider ears, and I'm setting those over to the right side. Then I'm going to take each row and align it on the bottom just to make things look very professional. And then once they're lined up on the bottom, you can check all the spaces between the individual stickers and make sure that there is a little bit of space between each sticker outline. I also took each column and aligned them to the center, and it just creates a really nice grouping of these cute little animals. Once these 3 rows of 3 are all set up, you'll select all the stickers together and size it down so it's a little more than 3.5 inches tall. That way it'll fit on the sticker sheet that we're making. So over here in the Shapes panel, add a square. Go ahead and change it to white. And then we're going to unlock the proportions and change the size to be 4.5 inches wide and 6 inches tall. Take all these stickers and attach them. So now they're all grouped together. I can bring this sticker sheet base to the back. I'm going to add some text to the top of my sticker sheet. I just wrote Valentine Pals. You could put anything you want. You could put a child's name. You could put Happy Valentine's Day. And then we're going to set this so that it just prints. It doesn't actually cut out. So go ahead and change it to a new color if you don't want to leave it black. You'll bring it up to the top of the design and then select everything on that sheet and align it to the center horizontally. We need to do a couple of steps here to make sure that the words just print and don't cut out. So select the text and the white rectangle and flatten those together. Then send that to the back. Now your stickers should be up on the top. Select the stickers and the whole white rectangle. Click Attach. We're going to put in another white rectangle, exactly the same size, 4.5 inches by 6 inches. Send it to the back, line it up exactly with the other rectangle that's flattened, and attach those together. With the 2 sticker sheets designed, go ahead and select both of them and attach those together to make sure that they will print out and cut on the same piece of sticker paper. You're going to click Continue and then click Send to Printer. Make sure you have sticker paper loaded into your printer. Toggle on the Use System dialog so that we can change our print quality to Best. and then it's going to print out. You want to make sure that you've got the registration marks on there, everything looks good. Click Done in Design Space, and then you're going to be able to choose your material. So I'm using washi sheet and changing the pressure from default to more. You may need to play with this a little bit, but this works best for me and the paper that I'm using. So load in the mat. It's going to read the registration marks with the sensor light. Then it's going to start doing just the kiss cut around each of these individual stickers. Once the stickers are cut out, it's going to do the rectangle outline, and you can watch it do that step twice. So here's the first one. So basically this is cutting through just the sticker layer, and then this is cutting through the back. And then here's the finished stickers. Each one is about 1.5 inches tall, and everyone is sure to love them. So let me know if you have any questions about what I did. I'd love to see your result if you make some yourself. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you get all of my future Cricut content. And I will see you next time. Bye.